In the Burn Buddhist tradition, the goal of our life is to achieve a full liberation or the Buddhahood. And the Buddha nature is in every sentient beings, not only human beings, but every insects and any animals. We all have the same Buddha nature. And our life is, the meaning of this life, important part of the meaning of this life is to achieve that. So, Dharma, there are three principal pathways. One, it's called a path of renunciation, that basically you renounce your negativities, your negative emotions, negative thoughts, whenever they are coming, so that you learn to control and renounce. That is more like a part of the sutra. The second part is the path of transformation, a part of the tantra. Basically, it does not necessarily renounce the things, renounce the five poisons and ignorance, but it's trying to work with five poisons and transform those energy into a five wisdom. So basically, it's the path of transformation. And finally, the path of liberation is the path of Dzogchen, which is very much like not renouncing your five poisons or your negative emotions, or not trying to work and transform and changing negative emotions, rather leaving them as they are, where they are, and not following them, not elaborating them, just living as it is. And when you leave these negative emotions as it is, they do not have their own power to continue. What happens is they just liberate by themselves. It's called self-liberation. It's like the metaphor is like an example of a poison, a plant poison. The ordinary person can not use it. If you eat it, you will die. Therefore, only thing you do is you're trying to renounce. You're trying to throw away. Put it away somewhere the children cannot touch, nobody can touch. That's the path of renunciation. Or doctors who have a skill and a knowledge to transform them. So a doctor adds some other medicinal plants and transform that poison into a medicine and heals the sickness. So that is like a path of tantra and path of transformation. And the peacock eats the poison. And when peacock does not need to renounce it or trying to change and transform it, peacock eats it as it is. And what poison does to peacock, it enhances the beauty and the color of the peacock's life. So that is like the approach of the Dzogchen. So these are the three principal methods of a path to liberation. They all are important, equally important.